Welcome to Brightech Robotics. Here we teach and learn robotics and computing, and we bring it down to our students' level. Today, we are going to create a simple circuit on the Tinkercad account and on our breadboard. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like and share our channel and videos so that we will be encouraged to do more. Now, let's get to the screen and create a simple circuit. So I'll first open my browser, type in tinkercad.com, then I'll hit enter. So it has opened for me. So I'll go to create, then I will select circuit. So I will bring in my breadboard, my Arduino, R3. Let me turn it like this. Okay. So I have my Arduino here. Then I have my breadboard here. Then I will connect my LED. Then I will connect my resistor. Then I will have to change the resistor. So when I click on this, I will come here, type 220. Then I will change this to ohms instead of kilo ohms. Okay. Now I have to connect, this side is the cathode and this side is the anode. The cathode is the negative side of the LED and the anode is the positive side of the LED. So the longer leg is the anode and the shorter leg is the cathode. So I have to connect my cables. So I will tap 5 volts from here. Now power flows in this direction, in a horizontal direction. Then I change the cable to red because it is positive cable or wire. Then I tap ground. We have ground, we have some here, we have 2 grounds here and 1 here. So you can tap any of the grounds you want. Then I'll change this cable or wire to black because it represents negative. So I will connect from here to here. Here power flows in a vertical direction, so it will go straight. Then I'll tap the positive from here to here. Then I will change this cable to red. And when I start my simulation, my LED have turned on. And when I stop simulation, my LED is off. So this is how to create a simple circuit on the Tinkercad. Now I'm coming to create the same thing on the Arduino breadboard. I have my microcontroller, Arduino microcontroller. I have my breadboard. Then I have my USB. So I'm going to create a simple circuit to turn on a LED. So I have my LED here. Then I have my resistor. resistor. Then I have my jumper wires. So this is the shorter one. So the shorter one is on this side. If you want to do what we did on the screen, then from the shorter legs to this side, okay. Then from the longer leg to the red terminal or the positive. So from the longer leg to the red terminal. Then from the resistor to the negative terminal. The negative terminal, you can tap it from anywhere. There's only a break at this side. Okay. So I am going to connect it to my Arduino. So I tap 5 volts. 5 volts to the positive terminal. Then I pick the ground. The ground, we have 3 of the grounds, you can pick them from anywhere. Then I place my ground on the negative terminal. Then I connect my USB. I connect my USB type B. Then I connect this one to any power source, a laptop, computer, your tablet, or if you have the OTP, you can connect it to your phone. So I'm going to connect it to my phone. My phone uses the type C. So my LED is on. As you can see, my LED is on. If I take off the USB, the light goes off. If I plug it, the light turns on. I can also connect the USB to my laptop. So when I connect it to my laptop, the LED turns on. When I take it off, it goes off. So guys, this is a simple way to create a simple circuit or to turn on a LED. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to like, share and subscribe our channel so that we will be encouraged to do more. See you next time. Bye.